This is my drawing pad, and last time I used this was 4 years ago during lockdown. In this video, I will be drawing a mandala with Zen Doodles. As we begin with rough sketch, let me tell you that the most beautiful part about Zen is that you can create anything you want without any design in mind. Process itna simple hai and results utne hi amazing. Now when the sketch is ready, it is time for me to do some inking. Zen doodling एक ऐसा style है in which you can create designs by combining different patterns. It is a free form of art. There is no right or wrong here, so let your imagination do the drawing and you sit back and relax. There is something about these patterns that makes me feel so therapeutic and instantly calms my mind. Life इतनी busy हो गई है आजकल कि we are not able to give that me time to ourselves. 9 to 5 job के बाद drawing keeps me busy and helps me forget the busy tunes of my day. कहने को तो ये मेरा me time है, but I'm really happy to share this space with you guys. Before I close my day off, I want to show you these easy patterns which you can draw and create your own Zen art. Do let me know in the comment section if these patterns helped you to unblock your creativity. Good morning guys, so today is day 2 of my drawing, and before we start, let's hydrate first. I have decided to complete my drawing today for sure. You can also try doodling because you need not be a great artist or a creative person. You just need to find out some time from your busy schedule, because I'm sure it will help you to hit that reset button on your day. After all, Mandala is all about finding peace in the symmetry of design. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you soon in the next video. But in the meantime, enjoy the reveal.